nothing quite as frustrating as going to download a new game or just save some pictures on your computer when you realize your hard drive is full and you're stuck. This has long been a problem, not just for people like you and me, but also for businesses, small or large. Enter the tech cartel and their vast array of centralized solutions like Google Drive, AWS, Dropbox, and iCloud. But what if there was a solution to our storage dilemma that didn't involve the Silicon Valley giants? There is. Decentralized cloud-based storage utilizing blockchain technology is the escape hatch from having your data stored on a centralized server run by a tech conglomerate. Today, we're going to get into what is decentralized storage and why it can offer you not just a cheaper, but more private way to store your precious data. We will also be checking out some of the leading projects in this space and how they plan to deliver on the massive use case of decentralized storage.
Are you like a crazy person?
I'm quite sure they will say so.
Centralized cloud-based storage has really taken off in the past decade or so, with a projected 100 zettabytes of data to be stored in the cloud by 2025, which would account for half of the storage data on the planet.
Damn!
To put that into perspective, in 2015, only 25% of data was stored in the cloud. Decentralized storage projects aim to tackle this $371 billion industry using security, privacy, and speed for a fraction of the cost. Crypto storage projects use a trustless, zero-knowledge proof system to keep your data private, and only the end user can access their data stored on the network. Dropbox uses massive server farms to store your data in the cloud, which are very expensive to set up and operate and leads to more cost for the end user. Companies like Filecoin just use spare hard drive space on normal computers all over the world to reduce costs while also increasing security and speed. With your data separated across multiple computers globally and not stored in a central server, it makes it far less likely to have your data compromised or become inaccessible. With an overall market cap for storage coin projects sitting around $4.5 billion, this is definitely a space with real-world use case that could see explosive growth in the next bull run. Among the nearly 40 crypto storage projects on CoinMarketCap, there are a handful leading the way in the development and deployment of decentralized storage. We have the granddaddy storage coin, Filecoin, which was created in 2014 and went through a revision and rebranding in 2015 to Filecoin. Filecoin was dethroned in 2017 as the top decentralized storage project by Filecoin. We also have newer projects such as Arweave, which are taking a unique approach to decentralized storage compared to the OGs. Let's dive into each one of the projects and see who you think will be the winner of the crypto storage wars as we dive more into Internet of Things and other forms of metaverse technology coming down the pipe. Aiming to be the backbone storage layer of the internet, Filecoin was conceived by two college students, David Vorick and Luke Champagne, and was originally presented at the Hack MIT Hackathon in 2013. Filecoin operates by using a trustless marketplace where users can lease their unused storage space for a much lower fee than Dropbox. These agreements and transactions are being settled using smart contracts. That picture you uploaded to Google Drive is stored as a single file on a single computer. Filecoin would fragment that picture into 30 encrypted segments, each uploaded to a different unique host for quicker recovery and most of all, security. Filecoin currently is sitting at fractions of a penny, but boasts a market cap of $206 million, making it the number 132 ranked crypto by market capitalization. SIA last saw an all-time high of 11 cents in January of 2018, and without a max supply, this inflationary coin will struggle to make it back to its all-time highs, with almost 52 billion currently in circulation. Even with it being unlikely to create another high, there is still a lot of potential return on investment with SIA, trying to continue to compete with the giants in the space for more market share in a market that is going up and to the right. Did you know all your NFTs are not stored directly on the blockchain, but on the Interplanetary File System, or IPFS? What if I told you the creator of that storage solution, Juan Bennett, also founded the open protocol incentive layer for IPFS known as Filecoin. Filecoin operates a trustless marketplace just like Filecoin, but differs in a couple of ways from Filecoin. The main difference is how Filecoin stores users' data. After entering an agreement with the user fronting the FIL coin to the storage miner, The storage miner then stores the user's data in a sector which is then sealed, replicated, and added to the blockchain while being audited using proof of space-time throughout the smart contract length. Your data is then retrieved using something known as CID instead of a URL like OneDrive, which makes for a quicker and safer way to retrieve data. Filecoin has sat atop the storage coins for quite some time and is still the #1 storage crypto project and the number 37th overall crypto project. Filecoin currently is sitting right around $6 per token, with a market cap of $1.6 billion and an all-time high of, wait for it, $237 back in April of 2021. Similar to SIA, File does not have a max supply for the token set, but the supply isn't as inflated as SIA token, with only 275 million File in circulation. In my opinion, Filecoin could one day store humanity's most important information and set new highs, offering a cheap, quick solution to the storage issues enterprise-level businesses and normal people encounter each day.
If I look what I'm particularly concerned about and preoccupied with today, it is how little the world is unprepared for the fourth industrial revolution.
So far, we have gone through 2 awesome projects with real-world use cases, but due to their inflationary mechanism and no max token supply, may never one day reach their original all-time highs. Arweave and its native token AR are planning to change the decentralized storage game by storing data in a unique way while having a set token supply. Launching in June of 2018, Arweave was created by 2 PhD candidates at the University of Kent, Sam Williams and William Jones, but is now, as of January 2020, operating as a DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization. To secure user data, Arweave uses modified blockchain technology. It is coined Blockweave, using a proof of consensus algorithm. POA links each new block to the block previously created, but it is also linked to a random previous block, which incentivizes miners to store more data so they can access those old blocks to create a new one. Arweave doesn't just have a lot of potential to revolutionize how we store data on the blockchain, it also could take your portfolio to the next level. With a max supply of 66 million AR tokens and 33 million already in circulation, inflation shouldn't affect the AR token like it will with File or SIA. AR currently sits just outside of the top 100 crypto projects, but is the 5th biggest storage coin by market cap with a $335 million market capitalization, and has seen an all-time high of $90 during the final pump of the last bull run. The potential gains of this project get me most excited. If we look at the previous bull run, File's market cap topped out over 12 billion, while AR peaked around 3 billion. If AR is able to simply match Filecoin's $12 billion market cap, we would be looking at around a $360 per AR price tag, which from where the price of AR currently hovers around $10 would be a face-melting gain, to say the least. Whether the future of storage is decentralized or centralized, there is no doubt now. And in the future, there will be a massive demand for storage space. The choice is clear to me that decentralized storage offers far more security, privacy, affordability, and speed compared to its massive centralized counterparts. Let's just hope the rest of the world, including big businesses, come to this same realization and we see mass adoption of decentralized storage. If that does turn out to be the case, you should be ready and educated on which decentralized project you think will ultimately win the crypto storage wars. As metaverses and other IoT-based platforms and NFTs and so forth continue to grow in adoption over time, by 2030, I expect the fourth industrial revolution to change the way we live, eat, breathe, order. Everything in our world is going to be completely different. Decentralized storage capabilities, I believe, are going to be the focal point to a lot of that data transfer the world over. So thanks for joining me. Again, I am the Crypto Crow, and I will see you very soon. Until then, crow your coins.